whenever you pass any key value, whenever you pass key values, and its value will be displayed. So I have passed France key value, so answer you will get the Paris. So by get method, this get method is part of your hash map class. Get method is part of what? Hash map class. So now you click on this run Java. Java, this is called a source code, source file. So always source file will be stored .java file. So you run, click on this run Java, means .java file you are running. So now what happened? Still you are not getting any. So okay. Okay, actually what happened? So it is giving error here. It is indicating that the import Java has conflicts with the type defined in the same file. So this imported class Hashmap, it is conflicting with your file name. So file name is also Hashmap, and your class name Hashmap. So you need to change this file name. Okay, you keep any another name. Okay, otherwise it is giving error. Hashmap 5, we change this as Hashmap 5. Now you change this. Okay, now there is no any error. Okay, it is Hashmap 5, is Hashmap 5. The type is not generic, it cannot be parameterized with argument string. Okay, so here I need to do what? You need to remove this one 5. Okay, okay, because your hash map is equal to, always you need to take your file name is Hashmap 5. It is conflicting with your that is what this with. Okay, your file name Hashmap, your class name Hashmap, your imported class name no. So it is conflicting. That's why my file name I have changed a Hashmap 5, my class name Hashmap, but I will call only Hashmap. Okay, so now it is okay. Now you get the result like what you know. This is the 5 null. 5 null for what? What is this? You are expecting Vasu dot get friends. It is giving what? Hashmap. So you clears the screen. Clears the screen one more time. You compile this code. So after that you try to do that. It is giving what somewhat this type of. Okay, you now you do one thing, you keep it in. Okay, now try to understand that what is happening here. If I I click on run this button, I have gotten the list of key pair values. This is one pair, this is 3 pairs. Okay, by simply you pass Vasu, the object name for this hash map class. Okay, object created Vasu, and you pass, you will get the list. So you comment here to get a list of values, to get list of values, key pairs, key value pairs. Okay, key value pairs. Now after that I want to get particular. If I pass particular key, so I want to get the, if I pass the France, I want to get the Paris, but I am getting null value. Why? Because try to understand, I have passed France like this, but here you have put somewhat space, so you need to call like this. Okay, if either you change this, remove this white space here, now you will get the France, so Paris. Okay, so you should get, you can put some word text here, capital of France, capital of France is, okay, plus, you put plus here, you will get like this was dot. So always the string to be kept in double quotation marks. Okay, that's why it's giving error. Now you call this, so you will get the capital of Francis Paris. Okay, you put some separators, that will give, separators means colon, to separate the answer with the text string type of data. Okay, this is called. So hash map will be created, okay, by the, to store the values, put method will be used. If you want to get particular key value, that is what get method will be used. Okay, now suppose if you want to remove a value, to remove a value, okay, this is what for to get particular, to get a value of a key, value of a key, value of a key pair, okay. To remove a value, what is the syntax? To remove a value, you simply write Vasu object dot remove method. You use the remove method. These are the methods of that. Okay, once remove what, if you want to remove what do you want to remove it? Any key. If you remove the key, just you refer the key value, so that pair, total pair will be removed. So if I pass this one, then what happen? You will get what? Okay, nothing you are getting. So now you, whether, how can you check that this key and with pair the value will be removed? You need to display the this one. Okay, list, you copy, you display the key pair values, paste. Now let us check that what will be the value. You are getting only 2 pairs here. 2 pairs means that is France, and that key, once you refer the key and along with the key and that value which is associated with the pair as a pair, that will also be deleted. So only 2 are here. Okay, 2 pairs are here. Next what? So next after that, to clear anything, system capital, if you want to know that what is the size of this, if you want to know the size of, what is that size of, how many pairs are here, paste. So Vasu dot size, size is what? Object. See, here is there. Okay, you click on this one. Size is a method, so that method is the object method of this Hashmap class, imported Hashmap class. How many methods we have used for this Hashmap? One is the put method to store the values, one is the get method to get the values, one size to find out the how many pairs are there. Okay, you click on this one, 2 pairs are here, 2 pairs. Okay, if you know want to put some word, total pairs, string type of data, total pairs in Hashmap. Just I have put a string type of data, so it indicates total pairs in Hashmap. How many pairs are there? 2 pairs are there. Total pairs in Hashmap, 2 pairs are here. So then after that, if you want to, if you one more way, we can loop through. We can use the for each loop to loop through these key value pairs. So how can we do that? Okay, comment here, loop through key value pairs, by for each loop. We can use by for each loop, by for each loop. Okay, so how can, what is the syntax to write the code? So you simply write for keyword